In this video, you'll learn how to access VetNow. If you are outside of the library, you will need a library card to access our online resources. As a Fresno County resident, you can get a free library card by visiting any of our branches or online by registering for an e-card. To get started, you'll need to go to the library's webpage at www.fresnolibrary.org. Once you have reached the homepage, hover over the Browse tab and click on Online Resources. You'll be directed to a list of our online resources arranged from A to Z. Scroll down and click on VetNow. If you are accessing this resource from outside of the library, you'll be asked to provide your library card number. If you have any issues, please contact 559-600-7323 and a representative will review your account to confirm it is in good standing. VetNow supports our community veterans and their family with navigating the VA bureaucracy, providing academic tutoring and employment transition assistance. In this video, you'll learn how to use two key features, the VA Support Tool and the Live Veterans Navigator. To ask a question, hover over VA Support Tool. Click on Send a Question. You'll be directed to Log In. If you need to create an account, scroll down, Don't have a username or password, and click Sign Up. Once you log in, you should be asked to send a question. Please follow steps 1 through 3 and submit your question to the navigators, and you will receive a response in your message center within 1 business day. To receive that message, you will need to follow the same steps we demonstrated in this video. To see a list of resources, hover over the VA Support Tool and click on Veterans Resources. You will be directed to online resources where you can find nationwide resources and local resources depending on the veteran's needs. Clicking on Veterans Local Resources, you will see a list of online organizations who will help vets in Fresno County in these areas: education, general sites, healthcare, benefits, employment, and housing. For this demonstration, I will click on the housing, which will show me Fresno County organizations. Click on any organization of interest for information. To connect with an expert to learn more about eligible VA benefits and community resources, go over to the Live Veterans Navigator and click on Connect. Please be aware that Live Veterans Navigators are available from Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 10 Pacific Standard Time. And this is how you navigate VetNow to obtain veterans resources. If you have any questions, please call 559-600-7323 or email elibraryhelp@fresnolibrary.org. Enjoy!